Hi guys, welcome back to a new improved video. Today me and my brother Lucas are going to be doing a video with slime. Now this is slime my mum got from me, but I'm one of my brother borrowed. If my brother moves over into the thing, you can see. So I'm going to get my fingers in. I'm going to roll my slime out a bit. And guys, I got like 1,000 tubs of these, like so many tubs. Lucas, what do you want to say? You have to say something to them.
Hi guys, today we're going to be doing ASMR with slime.
It's not really ASMR, but whatever. Okay, and then now I'm just going to stretch.
Ruby, stop.
Yeah, we have a dog called Ruby. And guys, my brother's going to give you guys a shout out. Go subscribe to sub to Ruby. I'll put it up there.
Yeah. We'll put it in the comments.
Yeah, we'll put it in the comments, if there's comments. Otherwise, I'll just put it at the top of the screen.
There will be, Lola.
At the top of the screen, otherwise.
Lola, is this good?
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so that's stretched out enough. Okay, so now my brother's doing his slime, and I'm doing mine. I'm going to roll mine out, guys. And then we're going to make a circle. We're going to press down on it. And we're just going to try to collide these pieces together. Okay.
Okay, Ruby.
And my dog's doing that crazy thing that she does because of her breed. Due to breeding issues, she does that thing with her breeding. Because she's a different type of breed. Okay. So technically we won't comment. Guys, this is fingerproof. It's fingerproof, guys. It's literal fingerproof.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not there, guys. Look, it's careful. You've got it in my hair. My perfect hair. Oh, we'll be jump of it. But guys, you can just like stretch that out.
Just so you guys know, it's fart slime.
It's not fart slime. It's really not. Okay, so technically go subscribe to sub to Ruby. So yeah. Anyways, bye guys.